Alright, we're showing you today how to clean out a pothole using bitumen cold mix. It's a very simple and easy process. All we've got to do is, first of all, is sweep out the hole, any loose debris. And if you've got a very shallow hole, what you do is you just give yourself an edge. So this hole has already got an edge, but if you don't have one, try and make a 15 to 20 mil edge around the sides. And then all you do is you pour in the bitumen cold mix into the hole. It's a polymer modified cold mix asphalt, so it means you don't need to have any emulsion, and you just literally put it in the hole, use a shovel, move it around, it spreads out very easily. Just you want to level it, give yourself a small crown on top for when you compact. If you need any more, you just pour a little bit more out, and it moves very easily. It's very easy to work. So you literally pour it in the hole, and the last step after you got it in the hole, you leveled it, you're happy with it, is then you compact. Now there's two ways of doing that. If you just got a small hole like this, you can drive over it in a vehicle, or you can use a tamper. Now this is actually a particularly deep hole, it's not the typical hole you come across. We generally deal with about 30 mil deep, and in 1 square meter you'll need 4 bags to do 1 square meter. This hole here is about a quarter of a square meter, which is about, or just under a quarter of a square meter, which requires a 20 kilogram bag. Right. And we're just going to show you how easy it is to compact and how easy it is by just driving over it with the wheel of a tyre. And it compacts down just like that.
Line the wheel up on it.